Feel it more on this side?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh,
Not too bad?
I feel great. I feel good.
Not too bad?
No, I feel great. I feel great, Doc. Yeah, I knew that was gonna feel good.
Yeah,
I knew it was gonna feel good. Oh, it feels like, it just feels like you're decompressed.
Hey guys, Dr. Clerge, a DMV chiropractor, and I'm here today with Ray. All right, so Ray, you're from Delaware, right?
That's correct.
So, well, what is today's what? Thursday?
Yeah, today's Thursday, 26th.
So, the traffic, how was the traffic?
It wasn't bad until we got to DC.
To DC. Yeah. What is it, like 2.5 hours?
It was about 2 hours.
2 hours?
Yes,
Okay,
exactly.
okay. So, it's not too bad.
It wasn't too bad.
Yeah, I've had folks drive 4 hours.
Right.
3.5, 4. Okay, so basically you come in for the Thai massage as well, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Thomas,
Are you used to that type of stretch? Deep stretching? It's a lot of deep
No,
stretching.
I'm not.
You're not.
Yeah, I haven't stretched. I do a lot of lifting, but I don't stretch.
I see.
That's the problem.
So you're probably gonna be like me. Have you seen my video when
Yes,
I was moaning and groaning?
Yes, and I will be doing the moaning and groaning.
The whole point is to increase your range of motion, increase your flexibility. So just relax as much as you can.
Okay.
Crystal's actually really good, and just kind of trust her, and just let everything go. Okay. You also came with complaints of lower back pain, neck pain, tightness, restriction with certain motions.
Yes.
How long has that been going on?
I would say it's been going on the back pain's been going on for 10 years.
I see.
I herniated my disc.
I see.
And but the neck pain, it's on and off, just depending on what I do.
I see.
But it's stiff. It's been stiff for the last 6 months.
I see.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So we already did the exam. Let's go ahead and start with the Thai massage, which is a lot of stretching. Then after that, you'll come back and we'll get the adjustments. Okay. We'll get the adjustments and then followed by massage.
All right.
All right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you got it.
Breath in. All the way up. Deep breath in, breath out. Let your head drop. There you go. Just breathe and relax. Alright, don't drop me. Alright, wrists. You can grab mine. Do not worry about hurting me, okay?
Okay.
Deep breath in and breath out. Let the head drop. Good. I'll do it again. That was good. Okay. Good. There you go. Deep breath in. Breath out. Oh, there we go. That's it.
Yeah.
Alright. And then one more. Place this arm behind your back. Try to keep it there.
Okay.
If that's too much, you can just put your hand on your hip. Because what I'm going to do is press into your subscapular region. And again, all you have to do is breathe. One more time. Okay, deep breath in, breath out. Deep breath in, all the way out. Deep breath in, last one. All the way out. Go ahead and let that relax. You feel okay?
Oh, yeah. So loose.
Okay, go ahead and turn over. Deep breath in, breath out. Lift your arms, sit to the side. Just let them hang to the
Go,
side.
go, go.
Let your head drop forward. Take your arms. There you go. Grab my wrist. There you go. Good, good, good. Keep breathing. And deep breath when you're ready. Breath out. Sit up. Okay, one more deep breath in. And breath out. Okay, bring yourself back up. All right, so this last one will be a spinal twist. So you can have a seat the way that you were seated before. You're facing that wall. And are you able to cross your legs or?
Yes.
Okay. Like this.
Oh.
There you go. Okay. Your hands are going to be interlaced behind your head. Okay. I'm coming in through here. Like so. Let's take a deep breath for me. And all the way out. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna guide you. Relax, deep breath in. And breath out. All right, one more time, okay? All right. Deep breath in. And breath out. feel it more on this side?
Mm-hmm.
This is the side. Okay. Bring your arm straight up. Arm straight up.
Sure, sure,
Yeah.
sure.
Okay. Hands interlaced behind the head. Deep breath in. And breath out. Deep breath in. There we go. Breath out. Arms straight up. And bring yourself back up.
Oh.
Okay. All right. So how are you feeling?
Oh, I feel great.
Yeah?
Yes.
Looser?
Stretch.
Okay.
Oh, very loose.
Good, good, good.
Shoulders feel good.
All right.
Yes.
All
Nice
right.
and loose. All
So
right,
that
thank
is
you.
your Thai stretch,
All right.
and the doctor will see you now.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
All right.
All right. So Ray, how did the Thai massage? How did that go?
It went wonderful. I feel nice and stretched. I feel nice and loose.
Some deep stretching, right?
Deep stretching.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Was it uncomfortable though?
In different parts, it was kind of uncomfortable,
Yeah.
but after she let up,
Right.
it felt good.
Right. Yeah. That's what I felt like when I got mine done. Because I'm not used to that type of deep stretch.
Right,
You know, like you
right,
feel it. It's like that good hurt, right?
Yes.
Where you feel the tension.
Yes.
And then once you let go, she lets
Right.
go, right?
Uh-huh.
Then it's like, oh, relief.
Right,
Right?
relief.
Yeah, yeah. So I always try to tell people before they get it, you know, it's a deep stretch, you know, it may not be pleasant,
Right.
but it does feel good afterwards.
Yes.
You know, like
Very
you feel
good.
like, oh, you know, your body just
Your muscles feel looser.
it feels looser,
Yes.
right? Relax, yeah. Okay. So, have you ever been to a chiropractor before?
I've been to one, but they didn't do any adjustments.
Oh, they didn't do any
All they
adjustments?
did was the stem.
Oh, they did
That
the
was it,
stem.
right.
I see. Oh, did they say why? Or?
That stopped.
Okay. Well, you know, people practice differently. You know,
Right.
sometimes they'll do X-rays first, you know, and then after that, when you come back, I guess they'll do treatment, adjustments, and so forth.
Right. They never got to the adjustments after 3, so I was
After 3, I see.
Yeah.
I see. Okay. I'm gonna start with your lower back first. Now, not everybody pops. You know, like some people extra loud. Some people don't pop at all because their muscles are so tight. You know, so it depends on what's going on as far as the anatomy. Okay. All right. So I'm going to have you on your side. You're going to face this wall. All right. Go ahead and take a deep breath for me. Let it out. Relax. Okay. Let's go to the other side. Deep breath. Let it out. Okay. Any pain?
Yeah.
No pain. Okay, good. All right, so let's focus up here. Drop your whole body on me. Good. Deep breath and relax. Deep breath. Out. Relax. Okay. Pain?
No
No
pain.
pain.
No pain.
Okay. Let's undo the arm for me. All right. I'm gonna clean the top piece for you, and I'm gonna have you face down. Okay. Good. Relax for me. Good. Relax. There it is. Yes, sir.
There it is.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That'd be nice, yeah. That neck always popping.
Yes, sir. Anything?
No,
No,
that's
okay.
good.
All right. Let's see what we can get on the other side here. Okay. All right, relax for me there. Relax. Good, relax. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Any pain?
No.
No pain. Good. All right, let's have you sit up. Perfect. Move around for me. Let me know how that feels.
I feel good.
Not too bad?
No, I feel great.
Not too bad. Okay. Do your wrist. Just kind of slightly pull against me. Good. 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 Let's go to the other side. Let's just slightly pull against me. No, not too much, just slightly. Good. Good. All right, perfect. Let's do this motion here. Not too bad.
No, it's
Not
good.
too bad. Okay. All right. So now let's do the white strap. So I'm gonna have you stand up, leg against the table. You're going to sit, and you're going to lay back down for me. Good. I'm gonna take this bolster, lift both legs up for me, drop the leg down. Good. Now all I need you to do is just relax as much as you can, okay? I'm gonna do a few pulls first. Okay. And you let me know how it feels. How does that feel?
Good.
Good.
Good. One just popped.
One just popped already?
Yeah.
Not even trying, huh? Yeah. Take a deep breath for me. Let it out. Good, good.
Another one popped.
Another one popped.
Mhm.
All right, and we're gonna let this one go. Just relax for me. Relax as much as you can. Mhm. All right. Take one big breath. Out.
About 20. Oh, wow. Oh, that felt good.
Yes, sir.
Oh, wow.
Got that one.
Oh, yeah. There's more than one. That was like 20 of them.
That's like.
Oh, I was like, damn. Yeah. Right to the mid-back.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yes. That feels good.
Not too bad?
Oh, that feels great. That feels good.
You'll see the reaction on the video when we post it. Let's take this off. Yes,
Oh,
sir.
man.
Yes, sir.
Oh, wow. Oh, that feels good.
All right.
I feel an inch taller.
That's what most people say. Yeah.
I'm not taller. Like, feels good in the shoulders.
Yes, sir.
All right. That's good.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Get up, move around for me. Let me know how you feel.
I feel good.
Not too bad.
No, I feel great. I feel great, Doc. Yeah, I knew that was gonna feel good.
Yeah,
I
that-
knew it was gonna feel good. Oh, it feels like, it just feels like you're decompressed.
Yeah.
Feels like, because it felt like for so many years it's just like pressing. And now it just feels like I'm,
Everything along.
yeah, looser. Oh, wow, I feel good.
Not
I'm
too
ready to go
bad.
hit the gym.
So now, what we're going to do next, we're going to do massages. Okay.
Okay.
So the young ladies are going to take over, and they're going to focus on the neck, the upper back, mid back, and the lower back. Okay.
arms overhead. How are we feeling the first half?
Good.
Go ahead and lift your knees up. Good. I'll have you sit up for me. And flip over. Arms go straight back. Bend your knees for me.